So hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox my new Nokia 105 mobile phone. Uh, let's unbox this phone. It's a little bit hard to open this. Okay, so so as you can see, this is my new phone. It's black color phone. You can see the main functions of this phone here. So in standby mode, we can use this phone up to 18.2 days, and this has a LED torch, 1.77 display, 200 contact saving memory capacity, uh, micro USB connector, FM radio, and some games. So I think without the SIM card we can start this phone. So anyway, let's see what's inside this box. And okay, we can see the mobile phone charger and the catalog, warranty card also in here. So anyway, you won't be having any headphone for this mobile phone. You have to buy it separately, and here I think you guys can see it. Okay, here you can see the USB charger port. This is the torch, this is the headphone jacket, headphone socket, and from here we can open the back cover of the mobile phone. Let's see. Okay, you can see the Nokia original battery here, and this phone is a dual SIM phone. You can see the two SIM slots in here. So without the SIM card we can switch on the phone. Okay, let's see. I have a SIM card. Let's insert it and see. Okay, I insert a SIM card to this phone, and now you can see we can. Okay, beautiful sound. And now we can start the phone, and let's check the menu. In the top, you can see the call log icon. Here the contact icon, clock, flashlight, message, radio, calculator, calendar, snake, my favorite game. So additionally we can find another 1 2 3 4 5 games in here. We can play those games by purchasing them. Before purchasing them, we can do 5 trials in those games, and finally you can see the settings icon. So this is the basic Nokia phone you can buy from a phone shop. If you are a person who would like to use a simple phone without any internet, WhatsApp or any other social medias, and this is the best phone for you. I think you can find this phone in 3 colors. Yeah, you can see blue, pink and black. So I have the black phone, and there are another 2 colors of this phone. I think this is a good phone. The battery capacity also in a good level. You can use this in standby mode for 18 days. So I recommend this phone for you guys if you are a person who is like to use a simple mobile phone, and uh, you are a person not frequently charge your phone. This is a good phone for you, and this has basic functions and most essential functions. So I think this is a good phone for a person with a simple lifestyle. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.